Take your students to the global stage. WRO 2025 in Singapore awaits. At Meritus, we believe the future belongs to innovators, young minds who can dream big, think creatively, and build solutions that shape our world. Introducing the Meritus AI-powered solution, a unique platform designed to empower students to explore the cutting-edge realms of artificial intelligence and robotics. Meritus, a proud silver partner of the WRO, is advancing STEM education worldwide with solutions tailored to K-12 schools and colleges. The Future Engineers category is designed for participants aged 14 to 22. It focuses on tackling AI-powered challenges, such as self-driving and autonomous vehicle innovations. This competition challenges young minds to develop advanced solutions, showcasing their expertise in cutting-edge technology. At Meritus, we prepare WRO trainers and coaches through hands-on workshops in regions like Malaysia and Thailand. These initiatives ensure participants receive world-class mentorship and training for outstanding performance. Our AI kits include everything your team needs: advanced AI controllers, cameras, sensors, motors, and versatile components for crafting innovative solutions. As pioneers in the learning space of self-driving cars and autonomous vehicle technology, we bring unparalleled expertise to your teams. At WRO 2024 in Izmir, the spotlight primarily shone zero on traditional robotics, leaving room for greater exploration of AI-driven robotics. These areas are vital for addressing real-world scenarios and driving technological advancements. Meritus bridges this opportunity by offering comprehensive solutions that empower students with the skills and knowledge to excel in AI-driven innovation. Our collaboration with prestigious institutions like IIT Madras showcases how Meritus empowers teams with strategic guidance and technical expertise, enabling excellence in competitions. Meritus ensures your students have affordable and accessible solutions, comprehensive coaching by experts, insights to inspire winning strategies, cutting-edge, AI-powered solutions. Why choose Meritus? We're the only partner offering Industry 4.0 ready, AI-powered solutions for the Future Engineers category. Empower your students to excel on the global stage at WRO 2025. Limited slots available. Contact Meritus today to secure your spot.